Deep inside this forest is a hidden reward. It is not exactly a walk in the park, but it's not the hardest hikes either. Where is this place? How do you get there? And what's the trail like? If you're curious, let's go find out. It's barely a mile from the parking lot, but you definitely have to put in the effort. Especially when you hit the beautiful creek crossings.
Empty streets, but I keep searching for your trace in the dark.
There are some awesome hidden spots along the way. Luckily, I had an expert who showed me the way. My son really knows his trails.
You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes. Your kiss so spread, my skin, I feel some air.
Finally, we made it to the falls. The sheer energy of this water is simply breathtaking. It just clears away your head and washes all the stress away. This gem is Upper Creek Falls, located right here in North Carolina's Pisgah National Forest. Does this look like a waterfall you want to go next? And what's your favorite stress-busting nature spot? Let me know in the comments. And until we see next time, adios!